Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I make fettuccine alfredo with chicken. You will need the following ingredients. I'm going to start by lightly seasoning both sides of the chicken breast with adobo. Then doing the same with cumin. Black pepper, garlic powder, basil, and parsley. Set the stove on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. While that's sauteing, we're going to start cooking the fettuccine pasta. Fill the pot halfway with water and set the stove on high, and then add a generous amount of salt. Now that the butter has melted, let's go ahead and add the chicken breast. Once they're all in place, we can cover it with the lid. Back to the pasta. Now that the water is boiling, add the pasta in the pot. Let's go back and check on those chicken. It has been there for approximately 8 minutes and needs to be flipped. Once it's been flipped, cook for an additional 8 minutes. Once cooked, remove them from the pan and let them rest. In the same pan that was used to make the chicken, I am going to make the Alfredo sauce. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, stir occasionally. I am going to season my Alfredo sauce with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of parsley, continuing to stir, and start adding 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese little by little while still continuing to stir. You're going to keep stirring until the sauce is boiling and thickening. Once your pasta is cooked and drained, you can add it to the saucepan and leave it in there for 5 minutes or so, allowing it to marinate in the sauce. I am starting to slice my chicken breast. This is optional. You can leave it whole as well. There we have it. The pasta is ready to be served. If you like this video, please share and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Turn on the notifications bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you for watching.